Have you seen some of the people when they speak, you just love when they speak. When they speak, you're like, oh my God, speak more. It's like magic. It's like, they are speaking in a way that's very attractive. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips that you can use in order to speak attractive. Hi friends, I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal excellence coach, communication expert, and on this channel I talk about communication, success, living your best possible life. So if you're new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any new video. So I was somebody who was very introvert, very shy, and today I have trained and coached to 6,000 plus people till date. And one of the things that has really helped me here is learning to speak attractively. So, speaking attractively does not mean that you have to use very tough words or you have to be very good in your English or, you have to say something that people will just not understand. No. Or you have to learn something. No. Speaking attractively is speaking in a way that appeals to other person. Speaking in a way that's really amazing. Speaking in a way so that other people are being pulled towards you like a magnet. Let's start with 5 tips. Tip number 1, be authentic. Now what do I mean by being authentic? Being authentic means just be you, be the natural you. See, everybody speaks in a particular kind of way. If you will see best of the best speakers, they are not trying to be someone else. They are not copying somebody else's style. They are very good speakers because they are in their power. So whatever you have, whoever you are, however you speak, honor that, respect that. It is called being real you, being authentic you. At the same time, if you try to copy somebody's style or if you try to fake, then you know what, people can see that also. Be the real you, be the authentic you, be whatever, however you speak naturally. Just be that, embrace your uniqueness. That is very, very, very important. And how you can do that? Just observe yourself. When you are speaking, what are you thinking in your mind? Are you thinking, I want to impress people, or are you thinking, I want to express myself? I remember when I started my stage programs, initially I was really very scared. I really wanted to impress my audience. But let me tell you, it was not working that well. And then you know what, I said, I don't want to impress anyone. I just want to add value in lives of people and I'll just be pure me. And after that, the kind of love that I got from audience was amazing. So just accept yourself. It is good to learn from others. It is good to understand their style. But the best is just embrace your power. So always ask yourself, am I speaking to impress others or am I speaking to express myself or add value? If the answer is second one, then automatically when you will speak, that will be very real and authentic. But if you're trying to impress people, then all these, trying too hard to impress, fakeness, all this comes with it. So if you're going to do that, just type in the comment box, I'm going to do that. Tip number 2 to speak attractive is mind your tone. Now what is a tone? See, when you speak to anyone, there are certain emotions, okay? Let's say somebody comes and tell you, hey, I'm very excited, I just got my job, okay? So this is excited tone. So your emotion is equals to tone. Somebody comes, and says, wow, I'm really happy that I'm going for this travel. So what is the emotion? The emotion is happy. So what is the tone? The tone is emotion. So when you speak to anyone and you add certain tone, you add emotion, it makes it very, very attractive. Let's say you're happy, okay? So okay, I'm happy. It's a flat tone, okay? Another thing, if you want to say the same sentence, you say, woo, I'm happy. Okay, you give an tone, you give an expression, you add an emotion in the way you speak. What happens? You speak attractively. So try to add emotions when you speak. Okay, emotion of excitement, the joy, add emotion of happiness. Depending on what you're trying to speak to others, try to add that emotion, and you will see when you add emotion, you will speak very attractively. And you will see most of the speakers, the biggest reason that they're very attractive and you're pulled towards them is because they add a lot of emotions when they speak. At times you might have also seen if they are speaking in a way that's really a sad story, you also cry. The best example of this is in movies. we know movie is an illusion, yet if there is a scene that's not that great, if there are people are crying, we also cry. What is that? They're invoking emotions in you. Okay, so try to do this. Third way to speak attractive is manage your pace. Now what is pace? Pace is rate at which you are speaking. So either you can speak slow or you can speak fast, or it can be medium pace. Okay, rate at which you are speaking. Now how do you speak attractively? How do you speak so that your pace is really good? Ideally it should be, not very fast, not very slow. It should be, in between. But at the same time, it also depends naturally what comes to you. Also, who is the person that you're talking to? Like when I used to do a lot of corporate trainings, I used to meet a lot of HRs. So I used to meet HRs, who were very slow at speaking. If I'm going to talk hi, like, hey, how are you? Their response was, hi, I'm good. Okay. So once you understand the other person, the other person is at a slow pace, then you also match the pace. Okay. You also speak in a slow way. If somebody is speaking really fast, it is good that you also speak fast. Okay. Match the pace. It's like a rhythm that you're building, and you speak attractively, and it magnetically pull people towards you. Fourth one to speak attractive is facial expressions. Okay, so I have seen some of the people who have anything is happening, the face is straight. There's nothing on the face, right? Face is it's a beautiful God gift. Okay, so your eyes, your facial expression, it speaks more than what you are speaking. Okay, so when you smile, it makes you very attractive. It makes you speak attractive. When you look into the eye of other person, it makes you look very attractive. Talk about speaking attractively. It is not just you speak from mouth, but you also speak a lot from your facial expression. So when you are in a positive energy, your facial expressions are automatically positive. Okay, but when you're thinking negative, automatically you will see your face will give negative emotions. Okay, how you can give very good facial expressions. Smile. You will see, when you smile, you always get that back. It is a very positive, emotion, and it invokes a lot of positivity in other person also. Maintaining eye contact. If you maintain eye contact, it shows that I'm there for you. But if you do not maintain eye contact, it shows that you're not there for that person, right? So have a very positive facial expression. In case your mood is off, just change your mood. Listen to some music and then change your mood. But just have pleasant facial expression. Okay. So when you have pleasant facial expression, people will be pulled towards you. But if you have sad, boring facial expression, people will run away from you. Okay. And the fifth tip to speak attractively is positive vibes. Yes. Your energy. We all are energy beings. You might have seen some people you see from far and you say, wow, this person is really very good. This person is attractive. Whereas if you see some people, you say, no, this person is not good. I'm just running away from this person. What is that? That is called energy. One has positive energy, one has negative energy. So it's very simple. If you are thinking most of the time positive, automatically your energy will become positive. If you are most of the time thinking negative, your energy will become negative. So if you have that positive vibes, if you have that positive energy, people will be automatically pulled towards you. You will speak, even if you will not speak, people will be pulled towards your energy. And how you can develop this positive attitude is train your mind every day for something positive. Spend your time with positive people, spend time in nature, spend time with books, spend time in learning. Surround yourself with things and people which are really positive in nature. And I also say this very important thing, that in order to be positive, let go of negativity. So let go of negative people, let go of negative habits, let go of anything that is not serving you. Okay, so these are the 5 tips, guys, that is going to help you speak attractively. I hope you like this video. If yes, hit the thumbs up, and if you're somebody who would like to master this skill with me, then I conduct workshops on the subject, and in order to get details of the workshop, just click on the link below, join my WhatsApp group, get amazing bonuses, be the part of the workshop, and you can master the skill. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.